In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make an academic poster in PowerPoint. Whether you're preparing for a university presentation, a research conference, or a classroom assignment, PowerPoint is a simple and powerful tool you can use to design a clean, professional academic poster. I'll walk you through setting up the correct slide size, adding text, and inserting and formatting images so your poster looks polished and presentation ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and create a new blank presentation. By default, it will open as Presentation 1. This gives us a standard slide layout, but since we're creating an academic poster, we need to adjust the size so it matches poster dimensions rather than a regular presentation slide. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the Design tab in the ribbon. Once you're in the Design tab, look to the right-hand side for the Customize group. Here, you'll see an option called Slide Size. Click on Slide Size, and from the drop-down, choose Custom Slide Size. The Slide Size dialog box will open. Inside this dialog box, you can manually set the width and height of your poster. Enter the dimensions required for your academic poster. For example, many academic posters are 36 inches by 48 inches, but make sure you use the size specified by your institution or conference. After entering the correct dimensions, click OK. If prompted, choose Ensure Fit so your content adjusts properly to the new size. Now your slide is formatted as a poster canvas. Next, let's add text to your poster. Click anywhere on the slide and insert a text box by going to the Insert tab and selecting Text Box. Click and drag to draw your text box. This is where you can add your poster title, introduction, research objectives, methodology, results, and conclusion. Make sure your title is large and bold so it's clearly visible from a distance. You can adjust the font style and size using the Home tab. Academic posters usually use clear, readable fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Keep your text concise and organized into sections so it's easy to follow. Now let's insert an image, such as a chart, graph, or relevant photo. Click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click on Pictures. The Insert Picture dialog box will open. From here, navigate to Downloads or whichever folder contains your saved image file. Select the required image file by clicking on it, then click the Insert button. The picture will now appear on your poster slide. To position it correctly, click and drag the image to the desired location. For example, you might want to place charts near the Results section, or images alongside the methodology. To resize the picture, click on one of the corner handles and drag inward or outward. Always resize using the corners to maintain the image's proportions and avoid distortion. You can repeat this process to add multiple images, graphs, or diagrams. Arrange your elements carefully so the poster looks balanced and visually appealing. Make sure there is enough spacing between sections and avoid overcrowding the slide. A clean layout makes your academic poster easier to read and more professional. Once you've added all your text and images, review everything carefully. Check for spelling errors, ensure your headings are consistent, and confirm that all visuals are clear and high resolution. When you're satisfied, save your file by clicking File and then Save As, choosing your preferred location and format. And that's it. You've successfully created an academic poster in PowerPoint, adjusted the slide size, added text sections, and inserted and formatted images. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step PowerPoint tutorials and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.